I am S. Maimun, BCom General, first year, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today, a topic of discussing is Introduction to Management. Meaning of management. Management is the act of getting things done by a group of people with the effective utilization of available resources. There are various definitions given by various management gurus, but simply management is the process consisting of the function of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling the operation to achieve specified objectives. What is management? Management is very popular term in modern world. Is used extensively type of human activity, whether production of goods or service, organizing sports event, managing political economy, managing household activities, or in field of research. The function of management is to plan, organize and integrate activities and resources to achieve well-defined objectives. Management is a process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Managing involves effective and efficient mobilization and utilization of physical, human resource organizational objectives. Management requires use of conceptual, administrative, human skills, performance of wide-ranging activities, decision-making, coordination, communication, delegation, authority to achieve better result. Definition. Management is the act of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. F.W. Taylor. Management as a process consisting of planning, organizing, activating and controlling performed to determine and accomplish the objective by the use of people and resources. George R. Torrey. The size of management can range from one person in a small organization to 100 or 1000 of managers in multinational companies. Level of management. There are three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, supervisory level, operational level or lower level management. Top level management. Top level management consists of chairman, board of director, managing director, general manager, president, vice president, chief executive officer, chief financial officer and chief operating officer, etc. It includes group of crucial persons essential for leading and directing the effort of other people. Top management is term consists of manager from different functional level like marketing, finance, production, etc. It is highest level in managerial ultimate source of authority in organization. Their basic level is integrate, cooperate the activity of different departmental according overall objective organization. Main function of top level management: determining the objective of enterprise, framing of plans and policies, organizing activities to be performed by person working at middle level, assembling all the resources such as finance, fixed asset, responsible for welfare and survival of the organization, affair with outside world, such as meeting government official, etc. Middle level management. This level of management consists of department head such as purchase department head, sales department head, finance manager, marketing manager, executive officer, plant superintendent, etc. People of this group are responsible for executing plans and policies made by top level. They act as a linking pin between top and lower level management. They are responsible for implementing the plan, lead top management concern about the main function of middle level management, interpretation of policies made by top level management, organizing the activity of a department, finding out or recruiting, selecting and appointing the required employees, motivating the person to perform their best ability, controlling and instructing the employees, cooperate with other departments for smooth functioning, implementing the plans formed by top level. Lower level management. This level of management consists of supervisor, superintendent, foreman, sub department, executive, clerk, etc. Manager of this group actual carry on the work or perform the activities according to the plan of top and middle level management. Their authority is limited. The quality and quantity of output depend upon the efficiency of this level of manager. They pass on the instruction to worker and report to the middle level management. They play a very important role in organization. They interact middle level manager and pass instruction worker. The limited scope of authority and responsibility. Main function of lower level management: representing problems of worker, maintaining good working condition and developing healthy relation between superior and subordinate, looking for safety of worker, helping the middle level management in recruiting, selecting and appointing the worker, communicating with worker and welcoming their suggestion. They try to maintain precise standard of quality. They are responsible for boosting the morale of the worker.